L'arte mi sembra che mi arricchisca interiormente. Il design è arte. La maniglia è una scultura. Prendo una scultura in mano. Mio padre ha avuto quell'ispirazione di creare una maniglia un po' lavorata. È passato dal disegno normale a una maniglia un po' tradizionale lavorata. La qualità è quello che l'ha sempre distinta. Poi il design.
Behind a Valli&Valli handle, there is a whole world waiting to take shape. Noble metals, natural elements, and selected raw materials take on their final shape through human creativity and first-class workmanship. In a peaceful, stimulating environment, human hands and machines create a skillful combination of craftsmanship and industry. The utter accuracy of the used techniques makes it possible to create the most particular finishes through different processes, which are designed specifically for each project. Distinctive and complex working processes mean that every product achieves its own state of uniqueness and perfection. Everything begins with a sign. Identity languages that are able to interpret contemporary architecture. Created with the sensitivity and inspiration that come from great talents and in collaboration with world-famous architects, our handles are made for specific projects in order to be consistent with different architectural contexts. Every product is a style icon. With a global presence that is all about contemporary style, Valli&Valli handles celebrate premium architecture throughout the world. The wide variety of items from the Fusital and Valli&Valli catalogues represent a great solution for any type of building or design. The destiny of these products is written in their backstory and in their mission. A destination design that inspires them to blend seamlessly into the setting that is awaiting them.